Using Google News once, you will get paid $100. Using Google News twice, you will get paid $200. And you can easily make over $900 using Google News. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to news.google.com. This is a free service by Google where you can read the latest and viral news in the world. So we are on the homepage of Google News, where we can see different current news in your country, like business news, technology news, personal finance news, gadgets news, and much more. And on top of the website, you can see viral topics such as business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. For the purpose of this video, I want you to go with business, technology, or health topics. Let's say we choose the health topic from there. That's going to take you to this page where you can read different health-related news articles that are trending right now. So for example, if you click on this article, that's going to take you to the original article website, where you can read the complete news article about this topic. Just like this, you can choose any topic from here that you think might attract a lot of attention. I found this article related to chocolates, where they discussed whether dark chocolates are healthy or not, and whether it is good for our heart and brain or not. Almost all of us eat chocolates, so this topic is relatable for a large audience, which is why I have chosen this topic. I want you to choose an article something like that, which is related to a large audience, and people become curious to know the answer to that article. So once you choose an article, the step number 2 is to come over to InVideo AI. InVideo AI is a tool where you can create publish-ready videos using simple text prompts. For example, you just need to write the simple prompt for the type of video you want to create and press generate a video, and the InVideo AI will create stunning videos for you. And the reason we are going to use InVideo AI to create amazing videos for us is because if I show you this Vitizen Health YouTube channel, you will find that this channel creates videos in the health niche. They have posted 51 videos only and have got over a massive 4 million views with just 51 videos. And they have reached over 78,000 subscribers on their channel, which is just awesome. The average RPM in this niche is around $5 to $10 per 1,000 views. And if we check their social blade stats, you can see that in the last 30 days alone, they have got over 1.6 million views. And if we do the math here, they are getting paid over $16,000 every month by just creating these faceless YouTube videos. And the surprising thing is that they just started 5 months ago, and their most popular video has already crossed 1.7 million views. So if I show you any one of their YouTube videos, you can see that they have a nice voiceover in the back, and they have just used the stock footage and video clips to explain their videos. And creating these videos is really easy if you use InVideo AI for that. But there is one thing we need to keep in mind while creating these faceless videos, and that is you need to make sure you use a real human voice to create these videos, because a real human voice in the faceless channels reduces the risk of getting demonetized on YouTube. And the good thing is that InVideo AI provides you with the feature to clone your own voice. So the step number 2 is to create videos like this using the Google News articles. All you have to do is to copy the URL of your article from there, so that we can use this article to create our video. And step number 3 is to come over to InVideo AI and select the Create AI Video option from there. That's going to take you to this page where I want you to click on Explore All option, and it will show you the different options of YouTube Explainer, Script to Video, and other options. But today, I want you to select the News Video option from there. A pop-up window will open on your screen, and in the Search the News and also checkbox, I want you to paste your Google News article link. And for the Create a Video About box, we will just go back to our Google News article and copy the title of the article from there. Now, if you want, you can also copy the subtitle of the article just like I did, and then come back to InVideo AI again and paste the title in this box right here. After that, you can leave everything just like that and press continue. Then you just need to press the generate a video button, and the InVideo AI will start generating the video for you. And in just 3 to 5 minutes, you will be provided with your video. So let's watch this video created by InVideo AI.
Chocolate fans, gather round. Can indulging in that sweet delight actually be good for you? Let's break it down. Dark chocolate, with its rich and complex flavors, packs a punch of flavonoids.
So as you can see, it has generated a very creative script for the video. The voiceover is just amazing. And if you can hear, there is a nice background music, which aligns with our video theme. And not only that, if you scroll through the video, you can see that it has even added the text to the video for us. Don't worry about the watermark on the video. You can remove them while exporting the video. And if you think that this is already impressive, just wait till you see what else it can do. So the next thing is to edit this video if you don't like something, or if you just want to add something to the video or remove something something from it. So the first way to edit this is to have InVideo themselves regenerate the complete video for you. To do this, you need to click on the versions option in the bottom left corner of your screen. And from there, you just need to click where it says regenerate. You can change any preferences that you want to change in audience type, look and feel, and platform. Then just click on continue, and the InVideo AI is going to regenerate the entire video for you using our new inputs. Now the second way to edit your videos is by doing it manually. And for this, you want to click on the edit button under the video. It will give you three options: edit music, edit media, or edit script. Starting with edit music, as you can see on this page, you can find many different music songs that you can use in your video. And if you want some specific type of music, you can search for that in this box. So for example, if I want hip-hop music, I will just search for that in the search box and press enter. And the InVideo AI will show us all the hip-hop category music that we can listen to by playing the music from here. And if we like the music, we can use the same in our video by pressing the replace icon showing next to a particular music. Now to edit media, it will show you all the different images and videos that InVideo AI used to generate the video. And as you can see, it highlights the scripts to show you where it used the media for. So for example, if we don't want this third stock footage, you can either click upload and upload something from your computer device, or you can search for different stock footage from over 8 million stock footage available on InVideo. So whatever you want for the video, you can search for that in the search bar. And on stock, you can select all and hit enter. Then it will show you all the different stock footage for what you asked for. Then you can just simply select any of the media and it will be replaced. All you need to do is hit apply changes. And then the AI will start changing the media. And now the video is ready. If we hit play, as you can see, it has replaced the scene with the scene that we selected. And now if you want to manually edit the script, you can click edit script over here, and then it's going to open this window where we can see the entire script. And we can change any part of the script or the whole script if we want to. Also, you can add a whole new section by clicking on these three dots and selecting add chapter before or add chapter after option from here, and that will be added into the video as well. Once you have made changes, just click on apply changes and the InVideo AI will apply the changes to your video. Now the third way to edit your video is by just typing in this box what you need to be changed, edited, or replaced in the video. You can ask it to add a new intro to the video. You can ask it to change the pace of the video, change the background music, change the voice to your cloned voice, increase the volume of the background music, change the voiceover, and much, much more. So for example, if I type here to change the voice to the female British voice and press generate button, the InVideo AI will take few minutes and it will provide you with the male British voiceover to your video. So our video is ready. Let's play it again.
Chocolate fans, gather round. Can indulging in that sweet delight actually be good for you?
So as you can see, the InVideo AI has changed the voice of the video to a male British voice with just a simple prompt, which is just awesome. Now if you want, you can also use the multilingual feature of InVideo AI by typing in this box again. Translate the video to in any language you want. Let's say we want to translate the language to French. We will just type it in this box and press generate so that InVideo AI can translate the video to French. Our video is ready, so let's play it.
Amateurs de chocolat, rassemblez-vous.
And as you can see, the video has been translated into French. Just like this, if you want to translate the video to Hindi language, you can just enter the same in this box and press enter. Once again, our video is translated. So let's listen to it again.
चॉकलेट प्रेमियों, इकट्ठा हो जाओ। क्या इस मीठे से स्वादिष्ट चीज का आनंद लेना हेल्थी हो सकता है?
Wow, just amazing. You can see that the InVideo AI is the best software to create text-to-speech video and edit them as you like, because you can pretty much tell this AI to do any video work for you, and it will apply the exactly same changes to the video. Now the fourth step is to export the video. So just click on where it says download. Then just make sure you have 1080p selected. Now if you want, you can export the video with iStock and Storyblocks watermark on it. Or you can remove the watermarks from the video and the branding of InVideo from the video by simply upgrading your plan. So if you're serious about video creation and want to publish videos without a watermark, which I highly recommend, you should upgrade to a paid plan, which starts at as low as $25 a month. This is the ideal plan for the type of videos we want to create with InVideo AI. And once you download the video, you can upload the same to your YouTube channel. And you can start to make money like this once you get monetized on YouTube. Then just rinse and repeat. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.